Pitching the tent in 3, 2, 1. You need to hold, can't stop. Hold it until it stops. Hold it until it stops it by itself. Here we've got our cutlery box and the Gobi X drawer. Comes out. In the back we've got our first aid and lights. And then obviously we like the big lids, because with the big lids you can pack a bit more and you get a bit of more height. So in here we've got all our cutlery basics. Pots, pans, cups. Here's a better view of the Gobi X drawer. And then we've got serviettes, light, and my basin. And voila, ready to do the dishes. Okay, so traveling with kids you need pretty much something of everything. So we've got after sun, we've got O2 meters, we've got for the fever, all the basics. I've packed some of the stuff like the Disprin, I've packed in like smaller containers. And then yeah, just some of the basics, something for fever, something for nausea, tummy, antihistamines, burn shields, a few bandages, and yeah, that's it. Bottom drawer, we still need to make a custom make drawer system because the Gobi X don't fit there, so we need to custom something for in there, but that's got like all our 4x4 kit and pump, and then obviously food in front. So let me show you. Okay, some extras for the stove, our Stanley, shower, and then the 4x4 kit, some cable ties, ropes, yeah, the pump, everything that you might need, yeah, recovery gear. Then our second Gobi X drawer, we've got the fridge, Snowmaster, nice and big, and then in the back we've got the stove packed away, bakey sub, and our Stanley for anything else that we might need. On the inside we have the kids stuff, they keep themselves busy, drinking station, and then a nice Tenco container. In there we've got the kids DVDs and towels. There they've got some games. Okay, going to the back of the seat, we've got that. We've got some more towels, we've got some more cutlery, we've got sneaky peeky hair dryer. In our 10 container, we've got DVDs, some more toys, and towels. Nice portable DVD player for the kids. It is either electricity or 12 volt for the long haul roads. And Leanne's got one of the blankets that they use. It's actually quite cool. Leanne, open up. It's got a camping theme on top. Wait. Nice wooden camping theme.
Alright, my mom wants to show you how fast that table assembles. Go. Two seconds. That's fast.
And then the table folds up again in 2 seconds and it fits nicely in the back. Then we pack the chairs and then our clothing bags. Here we've got the water, braai grit, that's quick and easy, scissors, headlights.
Can I try? Wow. Flat. What's flat? That's cool because it's flat there. Center is what it was on cone. No.
Okay, let Zoe also try one or two.
That's actually a cone.
Leanne, let Leanne, Zoe also try.
Soaker. Soaker, I don't know if that's very cool. Soaker. Do the cone. The cone is my favorite. Because it makes a little cone without your finger getting wet in it. Favorite. What's that? Soaker. That's dumb. That dumb.
On this side we've got the snatch rope, and that's blocks that you put around the tires when you get stuck in sand. We've never used it, so I don't know if it works, but I'll let you know if it doesn't. So yeah, that's the rest of the recovery gear, and that's round about the setup.